Na sansem no emu na hono na atoye mantemo soafo kwabna ocheda komensa ne centralfo adi nkoma wochire mu se sa STA-ADDSAMS Enterprise a kaneni enim omo Omni Quarry ne de womo eni tumi krata so womo di bibia womo ye bibia te sa wo ho se de Minerals Commission hyehyɛ no etie no eno nsɛm odi tudwa eni
Isana wosɛm a asi ɛwɔ hyama ama enipa ahwere wɔn nkwa mantam no musuafo kwabena ocheda komensa akɔhɔ no makɔhɔ sɛ de nemesisi a wɔde tudwa sɛ adwumayɛkuo yi wɔn hyɛda ne tumi krata a wɔde ɛyɛ adwuma senti wɔbɛyɛ wɔn hyehyɛ mu ɛde adwumayɛkuo ne mpanimfo akɔgyina mmara no anim nkyeremu sei ɛna wɔde ɛtudwa.
I believe that we need to intensify our monitoring of all the sites that we have. The other one was like gold, but this one is a quarry. Irrespective of that, they are all mining sites, and we need to look at our safety critically. My information is that the Minerals Commission has not gone through all the process with them. So now that we are doing an investigation, we should be able to catch up with the owners of the mine and then go forward, investigate, and see exactly what is happening already. We are aware that 4 people have died, and then another 4 are injured. 2 or 3 of them are in critical condition. 1 is better, but the other 2 is very critical, and 1 has been discharged. We have to send our heartfelt condolences to the family of all those who have lost their lives because of this incident. But I strongly believe that we need to intensify our inspections on all the mining sites that we have. This is an old mine, and I believe that they should have been doing the right thing. The fire service is here, the police is here, and then they are doing their investigations. If you look at the way the bodies had been tattered because of the blast, you could actually feel the impact of the blast on the mine. But I believe that we'll be able to get to the bottom of the cause of the incidents.